Alright guys, I'm gonna demonstrate the 3 glides that I showed you to some music, and just notice what I do. Like, sometimes you just gotta vibe out and groove and move to the music to let these moves sink in. Practicing it is one thing, but practicing it to music is a whole other thing. Whole different kind of way of learning. It's actually much easier because it kind of, when you feel that sensation, you feel the energy, like the vibe of the music, you're able to almost sometimes move to it effortlessly, or eventually. So just kind of watch my body and my movements and watch how I bounce and I groove while using these glides, okay? So here we go. Add some running man. Oh. All right, one more time. Alright guys, I'm going to do another song here. Another song coming up, a little bit slower tempo for those of you that want to try and keep up. And okay. Just going to do the circle glide a few times, then the front to back glide, and then the advanced one a few times, alright? Circle glide, stationary. Front to back. circle with this bigger one. Remember, you can steer with this foot. Okay. Whew. Oh boy. All right. Close up, face to face. That's a tough one. That advanced one where you're going like in a straight line. It's not easy. But you should have seen me 2 years ago when I was just starting it. Yeah. So, just lots of practice. You can see how fun these are, you know? And when you add slides and glides together, it's like the song said, you know, you can do it if you really try. It's, it's a lot of fun. So, I hope you guys, you know, are liking these. I hope you understand what I'm putting down here. If you need any help, you can always reach out. Make sure you have some good shoes for these. No, you know, you don't want a lot of grip. You're gonna get stuck. You need to have, you know, if you have a good surface, the tile is fine. Just got to be careful of like the grout, like the lines in the tile, so you don't get caught. Practice in your socks. That'll help you a lot. Just be careful. Don't slip. Otherwise, I think that's about it for glides for now. I do have some more stuff to show, but that's going to be later on in a more technical video later on. So, and yeah, guys, I'm going to end this video. So, thank you for watching again. Take care.